Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find all the ravens in the new DTI Lina Lore quest. So if you're stuck on the Lina Lore quest in DTI because you cannot find the ravens, here I'm going to show you how you can find all the hidden ravens and all the locations fast and easy so you can complete the Lina Lore missions and claim your rewards fast. So let's just get started. So once you enter the quest and see the cutscene, you will be asked to investigate the backstage. So you can just enter in here and go to the right, and in here you'll see this room and you can just wrap the lamp in here. And once you're done with this, you can go to the other room in here on the right and you'll see this mirror in here and you'll see the necklace. You can just interact with it and the room will shake. Now once you do that, you'll see the scene in here. You can just skip this and now you can go to the next room on the right. Okay, so you can just go out and see this room in here and you'll see the mirror on the left side. You can just go through that and you'll see this obby. You need to finish this one. So finish this obby and go to the other side. So once you finish that, you'll see the first raven. You can just pick it up. And once you hold the raven, you can go back to the stage. So go back to the other side. Okay, so let's walk in here and go back to the stage. And you'll see 3 cages there. And you can just put the raven in. So this raven doesn't belong here. So you need to find the right cage. Okay, this one. Now find the second one. So for the second one, you'll see it on the right side of the stage. You'll see this room and the raven will be on the podium in here. Now put the raven on a cage and let's find the last one. So for the last one, it's usually on the stairs. In here I'll see it at the top, but for the last one it's a little bit tricky because the raven might disappear when you try to catch it and you need to find it again. Okay, let's see in here. Let's walk and okay, so here's the raven and let's catch it. Okay, so it disappeared again, then you need to find it again. Let's go. Okay, see, it's on the top, so let's go to the stairs and here try to catch it again. Okay, so when it disappears again, what you need to do next is just go find the statue in here and find the ones that are not facing front. So you need to fix the statue, so you need to activate it so that it moves and see. Okay, so statue clicks into place, so you need to find another one until all the statues facing front. Okay, so this one in here, let's fix it. And see if it finished. Okay, so here's another one. Let's try. Okay, so the raven still disappears, so let's try to fix it again, the statue. Okay, so once you do that, a raven will reveal itself, so you can just now find the raven. So for the last location, the raven is usually on the statue in the middle in here. You'll see this one. Okay, let's pick it up and put it on the cage. So that's all the locations of the ravens that you need to find in the Lina Lore quest part 1. So after that you can just finish the rest of the quest. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next DTI tutorial.